32 is what it's supposed to be, but you know. Maps and stuff brought to sale.
Are these the 2Ks?
They're the AUs, 25 RMS.
Okay.
Oh, the amps are 24s.
24s.
These are the C-2400s.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like the splattered box design.
Yeah, I painted that. Me and my daughter did.
The curved port. Did you build the box?
No, that was a box I bought.
Okay.
And I just did some other work to it and braced it and did that. I'm building another one that's big enough.
A bit back.
It's got more air. Yeah, and it comes all the way back.
Okay. What is it tuned to? Do you know?
32 is what it's supposed to be, but you know.
What's up, man? Awesome.
This is actually a box I got to go in. I got an Explorer too, and I got it to go in that.
Really?
My daughter.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I got an 05 Explorer.
Nice.
And she's driving it now, so
Okay.
I got that to go in there. But I'm just rocking it in here till I get my box
Yeah,
done.
man. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Yeah, I'd like to hear it, man.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I got her an amp and stuff in here that matches the box.
Man, that's pretty cool. What kind of amp is that?
It's an old school Kenwood.
Dude.
And I painted it to match the box and all.
Yeah, that's an
So
old
mount
one.
it under black lights. It's all, you know, it's all
That's a good
fluorescent,
idea.
so it all glows. It all
like
glows
that.
and everything.
Yeah, that's
so,
pretty sweet.
So this will run her mids and highs, and I've got another one for her subs.
Okay.
So,
Sweet.
but, yeah, this is just stuff I had thrown in here.
All right. Ready? Demo time. Did you ever just toy with metering or just demo and play?
I've never metered it at all.
Okay.
But car got filthy. GPS sent me the other way around, and it's all dirt on the other side.
Oh yeah.
So the car was halfway clean, so I went down all that dirt path
okay.
and came all
Yeah,
the way around.
that
I
happens.
thought it would circle around, but it
Yeah. All right. And what was your name?
Dustin.
Dustin.
Gurley.
Okay. Sweet.
Mutombo, 750 Lambo in the Utah snow.
I love this
In the
Wolfram,
front
man.
like a
This
shit
Wolfram
on
stuff's pretty good.
Nice, dude. Yeah, just for that.
Nice, ain't it?
Yeah, man. And
For
is it on
212s,
stock?
man.
Is it on stock?
Yeah, stock on.
Okay.
I've got like 6 batteries.
Okay.
Well, I've got 7 AGMs in the back.
Yep.
I call it one of them. I just call one because 2 of the little small full throttle AGMs.
Yep.
I'd show them too, but you can't.
Don't worry about it.
Can't get to them.
So you have battery reserve, you just don't have the alternator charge.
Yeah, I don't have the alternator change. So
All right. Was this sound streams? Were those playing?
Yeah, these are Soundstream tweets.
Okay.
And it got Rockfords in the doors. Okay. It's got four Rockford 6x9s to replace the stock ones, and then just these small little Soundstream tweets.
Okay.
I'm more about the bass than I am the highs.
I'm the same way, but I mean, it's okay to have a little bit, but I could never have like a stunt wall.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
No
nice
problem,
to meet you.
man.
What Magnum?
Yeah, it's an 08 Dodge Magnum.
Dodge Magnum. Okay. Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
No problem, man.
Yes, sir.
Catch me on the block like I'm Mutombo. 750 Lambo in the Utah snow.
I love this
in the
Wolfram,
front
man.
like a
This
shit
Wolfram
on
sounds pretty good. I love this Wolfram, man. This Wolfram sounds pretty good.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.